And hello everybody, my name is JinJoeToe and welcome back to the channel. Oh guys, I almost forgot, man. Jesus, it is social experiments time. Please guys tell me, why did you guys click on this video? I mean, the title clearly said that the video is clickbait, and you guys know I have 400 subscribers. I mean, did you really think I would possibly have millions of dollars to throw away? And if I really did, I wouldn't be making YouTube videos, that's for sure. If I did have millions of dollars, I'd be just kinda laying down on the Mediterranean beaches, soaking in all the sun, as you guys know it. Anyway guys, please go ahead and leave your answers down in the comment section. Anyway, since you guys know I've taken psychology class, I'm pretty much a psychologist at this point. I mean, what else do you need, right? I mean, I got an A in the class, so I mean, what else is there to do, right? I know why you guys clicked on this video. I see you right now at this moment as you're sitting there watching this video. I can see you. You know those cameras you installed in your house? Yeah, well, I hacked them and I can see you. But JinJoeToe, I'm watching this in the park. Well, you're watching this in the park. Go ahead and look to your left. You see that squirrel, boy? Yeah, that's me too. That squirrel, it's a fake squirrel with cameras inside, just like the ones from the National Geographic's channel make. I'm pretty artistic, so I know my things. So yeah guys, that's how I know why you clicked on this video. I can read your mind. Are you waiting for me to tell you why you clicked on the video? Well, don't wait. I'm not going to tell you unless this video hits 1000 likes. None of my videos even get 10 views, not 1000 likes, but whatever. However guys, you can relax because this video wasn't completely clickbait, as I said up below. None of this makes sense, but the video isn't completely clickbait because today guys, we're going to be gifting my friend Oh, Jesus, how do you even say that name in English? Damie? No, not Damie the vampire, that was a thing by the way. Anyway, we're going to be making my friend's Damie dreams come true. Can't wait to see his reaction. And just to let you guys know, this is not staged. I've made some double digits with my thumbnail and video editing courses, which have been uploaded for at least 10 months. So, you know, double digits isn't a lot. You know, people go to work and they get double digits in, I don't know, an hour. It took me 6 months, but whatever. But anyway guys, and today I decided to go ahead, instead of being selfish, help out my friend Damie over here by gifting his favorite game. I said it and I'm gonna say it again guys. If this YouTube channel thing ever works out, I'm going to be giving away 20% of all the money I make to you guys every month in form of giveaways and all that kind of stuff, okay? So let's just fucking get into it now, shall we? Now before we do, we need a little backstory with my friend Damie so you can connect with me and him a little better and understand why we need to get this man this game. Okay, so 10, 18, 16, what am I even saying? It was supposed to be some sort of a meme, maybe not a good one actually, might not be smart. Anyway guys, I met him 10 years ago on my 23rd day of school. That has not been fact checked. I really need to stop dragging this video out. I just can't resist, you know, the 10 minutes mark. It's hard. So basically guys, we met in first grade, and I remember this as it was yesterday guys. The first time you saw him, you just knew that Damie, he was born to be the best racer of all time. You guys just can't visualize it, can you? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a picture so you can see that what I'm speaking is as clear as day. Bam! There he is, 6 years old. Nani? That was so embarrassing. That was so bad. I should have just put the actual sound effect, but whatever. Actually, maybe he was 12. It doesn't matter. Just look at those glasses, guys. I mean, it's like he's wearing a helmet while eating, and he's in his racing spirits, guys, all the time, as I said. I mean, this guy was born to be racing, but no, seriously, guys, why is he wearing the same glasses as Putin? Go ahead, check out my Russian memes app. I mean, why not? And also, guys, you might be wondering, why is Damie eating a burger right now while he's trying to race? Well, he's really smart. He's eating the burger so he can retain his weight. How? Well, Formula 1 racers lose about 3 to 4 kilograms every race due to high g-force and high temperatures in the car. So basically, yeah, Damie knows what he's doing, guys. Okay, so let's get to the main point of why we're buying him a racing game. So basically, Damie has been playing this is not a joke, he's been playing all the F1 games since F1 2008, which doesn't even fucking exist. Like, he had to get it from some sketchy illegal dark web website. And guys, let me tell you, he's one of the best F1 players in the world. So imagine, he has 12 years of F1 gaming experience, and he plays every single day on a $20 $20, hear that again, he plays every single day for 12 years on a $20 steering wheel, which I tried playing on. I mean, he gave me the steering wheel, and the fucking wheel is not responsive at all. You just go left, and it takes the car 50 minutes to turn whatever the fuck you just turned. So it's crazy, the responsiveness, and it just slides along the table. So yeah, that just shows you his skill level. It's not like these YouTubers playing with $1,000 steering wheels and they are still terrible at the game. You know, if Damie, if he had $1,000 steering wheel, I'm sure he'd already be racing on the real F1 team. He would be better than Michael Schumacher. Anyway guys, he's been getting all the F1 games no matter what, you know, whether it's been killing, stealing, or legal actions, he'd do it, he'd do everything, guys. I know one time he was like F12, F1, F12, he was like F2016 came out, and I was like, how are you gonna get it? So he goes, I'm gonna rob this bank. Okay, that might have been a joke. Anyway, let's just move on with the video, guys. He's a real racer, guys. Like, real okay. I just can't do the stupid jokes. And the last fact about Damie, guys, he actually holds the first place in the world in over 50 tracks. He's been driving for years, man. I mean, Jesus Christ. I think... He's been driving for years, guys. He holds the first place in the world in over 50 tracks. Oh my god. Oh my god. And he holds the and he holds the first place in the world in over He holds the first place. And the last fact about Damie, guys, he actually holds the first place in the world in over 50 tracks in Formula 1. I mean, he really needs to make his own YouTube channel and show the world what is up. Now guys, he doesn't have F1 2020, and I mean, he wants it. He badly wants this game, you know. He told me, I could see it. Well, we weren't really talking, we're texting. Anyway, I could just see it in his eyes, guys, through the phone. I could tell this man, he wanted F1 2020. But now, guys, he was quite pissed off. Like, all quarantine, he was improving his F1 skill, but now he just cannot play F1 2020 because it's too expensive. We talked, I could tell, guys, he was really sad. So what I did is, I opened my Steam and I saw my wallet. Anger flew through me. I tried, guys, you know, I tried selling all of my games, but I couldn't. I have more than 2 hours on all of them. So I decided, $1. One but one, it's still something. I went to the search bar, wrote down racing, and set the price from lowest to highest. And I scrolled, man, I scrolled until my mouse broke. But then I found Yo My Yo, a 2D racing game. Now you guys wouldn't get this joke, but I'm gonna say it. Oh my oh. Okay, now it was time to give this game to the racing legend to see if he can beat it, because this game does look pretty difficult. Look at that, there is poop on the roads. It's crazy. And bam, guys, there we go. I brought the game and sent it over to Damie. Now let's go ahead and wait for his reaction. Oh ho ho, he wrote something. Oh, his reaction was haha. Damn, he's good. He's like, oh, what is this game, boy? I'm gonna beat it in 2 minutes. Anyway, that was it for this video, guys. Make sure to check out my Patreon and everything else, and gift some more games to Damie. If you guys have a Steam account, you know, instead of spending your money on, I don't know, PUBG, I don't fucking know, spend your money on gifting games to Damie, because he will appreciate it. He might respond with, he might give you a better response, you know. But guys, don't just give him some stupid games. Actually get some money, get some stuff, give Damie F1 2020. Let's go ahead and start a page, GoFundMe page, give Damie 2020, F1 2020. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Stay healthy, bye bye.